Learn to read sentences. The cat ran. The cat ran. A bat sat. A bat sat. Pam has a bag. Pam has a bag. The man can tap. The man can tap. The hat is red. The hat is red. Sam has a map. Sam has a map. The fan is on. The fan is on. The cap is big. The cap is big. Jan can nap. Jan can nap. The rat ran fast. The rat ran fast. Dan has a pan. Dan has a pan. The bag is red. The bag is red. The lad can tap. The lad can tap. A van is here. A van is here. The cat sat on a mat. The cat sat on a mat. Great job! Great reading! Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to BrainPopz. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.